cryptocurrencies are one of the ways you can invest and generate profit from them. There are many cryptocurrencies in the market, and one of them is Dogecoin. The exciting part about this cryptocurrency is that it was branded after a viral dog meme, and how this cryptocurrency went from a joke to one of the world's top cryptocurrency in history. Today in this video, you'll get to know everything about Dogecoin. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. What is Dogecoin? It is one of the leading cryptocurrencies and has gained enormous popularity in recent times. Two programmers came up with this idea, Billy Marcus and Oregon. On 8th May, this cryptocurrency achieved an all-time high price of $0.73. Well, unlike Bitcoin, where there's an upper limit, Dogecoin doesn't have any upper limit. That means there can be more than 100 billion Dogecoin in circulation. How Dogecoin became popular? This coin got great support from Elon Musk, and who doesn't know about him? He recently tweeted about this coin and showed his interest in it. After that, the Dogecoin price increased from 0.062 to 0.078, project a 20% rise in the price. Also, another reason is the rise of prices of Bitcoins and Ethereum that attracted a lot of people that has propelled the value of Dogecoin. When will Dogecoin reach $1? This coin is growing at a rate of 20% per year. And taking that into account, it will take 5 years to reach the mark of $1. But we can't be sure. Maybe this will achieve this milestone sooner or later because the market of cryptocurrency is very volatile. Should you invest in Dogecoin? Many people and investors believe that Dogecoin is going to do great in the future. And we can see steady growth in the price of Dogecoin. While many people believe that this is a great coin, but can't be looked at from a perspective of long-term investment. On the other hand, many people refer to it as a bubble and can't be burst soon. It's all up to you. Looking at the recent progress, Dogecoin is growing steadily and many people are generating a lot of profit. Though, you can't be sure about cryptocurrencies, as they work on a different mechanism, where you can see a sudden rise and fall in no time. Each cryptocurrency has its own benefits and disadvantages. Before investing, make sure you know all about cryptocurrencies and have a deep analysis, so that in the future, you don't have to bear any loss. I hope you liked this video. I will be meeting you in the upcoming video with another exciting piece of content. Till the time, don't forget to watch our other videos and have fun.